Who's going to buy your gold at $3,000 per ounce? It's a question that comes up. It's a lot of videos I've seen lately about predicting gold to go to $3,000 per ounce. Is it going to happen? Will there be buyers? I tend to think so. Absolutely 100%. You know how I know? Because the world is not losing millionaires. It's actually gaining millionaires. It's gaining billionaires each and every year. It goes up. It even went up even higher and faster during the pandemic. Now, if you've ever watched any order book go through, especially on crypto, you've probably seen somewhere around 5 to 10 Ethereum sell around $3,000 per Ethereum at any moment's notice. You can go on any order book online and check that out for yourself and actually watch that money go through. That's how I know people will buy gold at $3,000 per ounce. They absolutely 100% will. Another question I get quite often, are we buying the top? And as of right now, gold is at 1960 as I'm making this video. Theoretically, you could be buying gold at the top. Once you factor in the premiums for your physical gold bullion, you are buying gold essentially at the top because gold went up to $2,100. Now, as of price predictions and whatnot, I do not do those types of things here. This is not a price prediction video. This is just in response to people claiming that it's going to go to $3,000 per ounce. Do I know it's going to go there for certain? Probably, but I don't know if it will in my lifetime. I can't answer that. What I can do is tell you how I'm preparing. I'm buying every single month with a set budget that I'm supposed to use. Sometimes it fluctuates depending on spot price. The lower it goes, the more I buy. The higher it goes, the less I buy. Dollar cost average is your best friend when it comes to buying gold, because not everybody can afford that type of money whenever it comes to stacking gold. Now, another question I get is, well, gold is too high. I can't afford it. Let me just say this. Gold is expensive now. 10 years ago, gold was too expensive. Where's it going to be in another 10 years? That's a question that you need to ask yourself. Will you be able to afford it more so in the future? Are you making plans to be able to afford it in the future? Because our wages are not going up with the rise in inflation. I don't know if you guys had your raises this year or not. I did not get a 8% raise, so I am losing. The only way that I hedge against that is, number one, create a business. Number two, I buy gold. Sure, it's not beating inflation right now, but over time, it does actually beat inflation. But if you want to learn more about buying gold and silver, if you don't know what type of gold coins to buy, if you don't understand which ones you should be buying, I made several videos, and check this one out right here about your first 5 ounces of gold and what should you stack. That's going to do it for today, guys. Appreciate you watching the video. Keep grinding on your stack.